Hello friends, my name is Dhara Unarkat. Welcome to my channel Prepare Yourself. Today I am going to take the session of was and were. We use was and were with the past tense. By the end of this session, you will be able to understand with which pronouns you should use was and with which pronoun you should use were. Number 2. We will also learn question formation by using was and were. Number 3. Negative sentence structure of was and were. So friends, let's begin. Let's start learning was. We can use was with singular pronouns. I, he, she, and it. Let's have a look at the examples one by one. I. I was very much concerned about the food taste and its presentation, which we served in the party. Here somebody is concerned about the taste of the food of the party, which already has finished. He. He was too busy to talk to all the guests. Means he was not able to talk with all the guests. Instead of he, you can even add the name of a singular male. She. She was kind towards the needy people. Instead of she, you can even use the name of a female. And here it shows the lady was kind. It. We use it for the names of animals, plants, and things. It was the most beautiful tree in my grandparents' garden. Here it shows the tree that we are talking about the tree. Now let's have a look at the interrogative sentence structure using was. Question formation. We use was he, was she, was it. That means we change the structure of the sentence when we make it interrogative. We use was first and then pronouns follow it. For example, was he, was she, was it. Was he learning grammar? Was she behaving properly with guests? Was it so bad that one could not eat it? This shows the clear sentence structure or formation of interrogative sentence with the use of was. Now let's move forward and learn were. Here we are going to study were. We use were with the plural pronouns we, they, you, they. Well, here I have written they twice. And trust me, I have not committed the mistake. In plural pronoun, the fourth time when I have used they, it is used instead of it. Here, instead of it, we use they. We will learn this. Let's have a look at the examples. We were practicing for the school dance competition. So here there are more than one people, therefore we are using were. They were completely disappointed with the performance of the quiz contest. They can be principal, teachers, parents, friends, relatives, etc. You were the first person who believed in my abilities. We were too big to shift from one port to another. Now in this sentence, have a look. Instead of it, we have used they because this is the plural form were. Therefore, we are using they instead of it. Now let's have a look at the question formation of interrogative sentences. Question formation. Where, we, were, they, were, you, were, They again. Were you asked? Were they informed? Were you happy? Were they barking? Now here we have taken were as an example of the dog. So the question is, were they? That says, were the dogs barking? I hope with the structure, were is clear to you. Now let's have a look at the negative form of was and were. I, he, she, it. Singular pronouns. I wasn't able to concentrate in class. Here we do not speak was not. Instead of was not, we speak wasn't. The is the right pronunciation. We should not say was not. Instead of that, we should write wasn't and we should speak wasn't. He wasn't talking to Paul. Now with he, you can even write the name of a male. Wasn't talking to Paul. She wasn't kind lady. This shows the lady they are talking about wasn't kind. It wasn't the same flower which I saw yesterday. Here it stands for flower. As we know, we use it for animals, plants and things. Now let's have a look at the plural form of negative sentence. We, they, you, they. We weren't part of dance troupe. We weren't completely disapproving the matter. They weren't completely disapproving the matter. You weren't as traditional as your family. They weren't too big to shift from one pot to another. Here they stands for plant. So instead of was not, we speak wasn't and we write wasn't this way. I hope was and were are clear in your understandings. Friends, my name is Tara Unadkat. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Prepare yourself. Thank you and have a blessed day.